Hello friends. So pure modal shall meanings, basic meanings. You have got future time. Another basic meaning is prediction, like will, prediction, future time. I shall come tomorrow. I shall come tomorrow. I shall come tomorrow, future. We shall meet tomorrow. We shall see after some time. We shall, or I shall write a letter later. So that is future time. Prediction. If you say like that, the ground realities tell us that you shall win. You shall win. So that is prediction. The ground realities tell us that you shall win. Understand? The situation suggests that you shall pass. See, if they play like this, they shall win. If they play like this, they shall win. If you work hard, you shall get the prize. If you work hard, you shall get the prize. So that is prediction. Okay. Now you have got the volition. That is your will, like I will. Your determination is that I shall fight the situation. I shall fight the situation. See, we shall see tomorrow. That means fight. That is, we shall see. That is determination. I shall do it for you. I shall do it for you. Or is I shall try my best. So that is volition is I shall try. I shall try. I shall help you. So that is volition. Suggestion or request you can. Shall we go? That is, shall we go? You have shall we go home? Shall we sit here? Shall we sit here? Suggestion. Shall we go for a picnic? Shall we go for a film? Shall we sit out there? Shall we skip the class? Don't do it. Then, shall we talk in the class? Never. That is suggestion. Understand? So then we have got a request also. See, that's what can be request. Shall I come in? Shall I do this? Shall I take that? It's a request also. Shall I take this? Shall I come to you tomorrow? This is a request. Other next is legal or quasi-legal meaning. Quasi means semi-legal. He shall be punished. He shall be punished. So that is legal. He shall be punished. Or you say, you shall get your appointment. You shall get your appointment. Say, and you shall be taxed. You shall be taxed for this. So that's a semi-legal. It's a legal. So the 10 Commandments you can say. Thou shalt not. You shall not commit murder. You shall not do this. You shall love your neighbor as yourself. You shall love God above all things. So there is some legality in that. So understand? So that is some. You shall file the papers tomorrow. You shall come with all documents to the court. That is legal. So it is. And then what I have written here is archaic. Means shall is not very much used in American English. already written British rather than American. In almost 80% of cases, shall is replaced by will, even in British English. Even in British English. Americans, they have already left shall. So American English, very, very rarely sometimes you will hear shall. Otherwise, that's what I said, archaic means it's not used now. It's an old form, like thou. Thou is an archaic form of you. See, thou. Now this is archaic, but you is the modern form. Thou shalt not commit murder. You don't say now, thou shalt not commit. You don't say, thou stand up. Nobody will say that. You stand up. So that is an important point to note. What has happened to shall is slowly going out of use. Instead, will comes in. But as I told you, see what I have written here, British rather than American. This British usage more. As I told you about stay home and staying at home. Stay home is American. Staying at home is British. Of course, there is slight meaning. There is slight change of meaning. Stay home is, it is a necessary thing for you to stay home. It's a condition. Staying at home means you are willingly doing it. I am staying at home. It means I am willingly doing it. That's the difference. British and American usage. So here also. Now, shall we go for a picnic? I told you suggestion. Let's go for a picnic. Shall we? That is the question tag. Fix the question tag. Let's go. Question tag is shall we? Because it is suggestion. There is no negative positive there. Understand? Shall we? When you take up question tags, more of this we will see, but I just mentioned that so. I hope that is clear to you, no? Yes. So, like will, you can use it for prediction, you can also use it for future time. But rarely in American and British also, it is going out of use. That doesn't mean that you are not going to use it or you are not going to study that. No, that's not the meaning. Or you don't find it in the textbooks and you will. It's not dying. People will or shall, which is easy for you to pronounce. Will. Not shall. Will. So easy. What is easy, that will become popular. Common. That's all. More common. That's all. And then you say external meanings, volition, sometimes it can say like that, I shall try this. Suggestion, shall we go? Let's go. Request, shall I take this? Shall I meet you? Shall I come? Like that. Then legal, quasi-legal, I told you, very often he shall come with documents tomorrow in the court. We don't say he will, he shall. So that is legal and quasi-legal, means semi-legal means. You shall bring your parents tomorrow. We don't say you will bring your parents tomorrow. We shall, you shall. So that is something to do with the legal. You shall bring your parents tomorrow. You shall meet the principal, not that you will meet the principal. Understand? You will meet the principal. It is better. You shall meet the principal. You shall. You will not commit murder. No. You shall not commit murder. So, for legal and quasi-legal means semi. You use shall. Otherwise, will is more common. That's all. The negative of shall is shan't. Shan't. That's the negative. Shan't. Not shallings. There's no shallings. Negative will, won't. Negative will is won't. This is will not. Hope it is clear to you. Okay? Have a nice time, enjoy your life. Stay at home and study at home. You willingly stay at home and study. Okay? And I preferably suggest you learn grammar. This is the best time for it. Don't waste time. And you remember, to kill the killer virus, use soap and sanitizer. This message you are hearing from all quarters. I am also, in a very simple way, simple, humble way, I am also propagating this. That's all. So bye, have a nice time, take care of your health.